The numbers are alarming. Cyber attack events continue to climb, so keeping your organization safe is vital to your brand and your bottom line. Even with the best strategy in place, there's no guarantee you can prevent data disruption or productivity bottlenecks due to a breach, natural disaster, or human error. So while we can't eliminate them, we can minimize their likelihood and mitigate the damage done by them by taking the appropriate steps required pre-event and post-event. In other words, what should we do before and after the boom? Preventing and preparing for a possible boom event starts well before it occurs. Reduce the likelihood of successful attacks by both identifying assets and addressing vulnerabilities, threats, and configuration issues, along with creating a robust backup and recovery strategy. Pre-boom is where you should implement automated vulnerability scanning and continuous security policy enforcement for all your endpoints. And organizations have varying degrees of patching maturity, ranging from manual to automated, but rarely including emergency patching protocols. IT professionals typically focus on servers, computers, and mobile iOS and Android devices, including company-owned and bring-your-own devices. However, everything accessing your network is an attack vector, including the Internet of Things and non-computer devices like printers. And while automating effective IT hygiene for all endpoints before a disaster occurs is key to preventing disruptive events, perhaps it's even more important to automate your backup and recovery in case of a breach or natural disaster. So start planning with the assumption that you'll be a victim. Pre-boom preparation should focus on making critical backups immutable so that attackers can't modify or delete backup data. Implement a 3-2-1 approach as part of their pre-breach strategy. Have 3 copies of data stored on 2 different media types, and 1 copy is stored at a geographically different location. Unfortunately, even with the best plan in place, most companies will inevitably experience a boom event. To the right of the incident, every second counts. Your backup and recovery strategy post-breach determines how you respond to ransomware demands and how quickly you can get your workforce back up and running at full capacity. By combining the power of Quest Unified Endpoint Management and Quest Data Protection, you will be prepared to react efficiently to diminish damage and recover quickly, protecting your brand and bottom line. As your hybrid workforce evolves, Case UEM solutions allow you to discover, track, patch, and track every device and automate patching to secure your environment. Quest Data Protection rapidly backs up, dedupes, compresses, and restores backups while reducing storage costs. Your backup data gets ransomware protection with immutability, encryption, and admin security both on-prem and in the cloud, protecting all your private business, employee, and customer data. Don't fall victim to your next data boom event. Find out how Quest can help you avoid and recover from disaster.